Dr. Anish K.R. is a mental health professional trained in psychiatric social worker from the National Institute of Mental Health and Social Sciences, Bangalore, with 22 years of experience in clinical practice, teaching and research. He serves as an assistant professor in the Department of Social Work at Rajgiri College of Social Sciences, Cochin. His research and clinical practice interests are in mental health promotion, counseling, life skills, and migration. His research team has evolved a social competence model of children as part of the research funded by the University Grants Commission, Government of India. He is a founding member of Building Networks and Frameworks for Global Social Work Education. He has academic collaborations with the University of Utah, USA, Catholic University, Eichstätt, Germany, Queensland University of Technology, Australia, Wuhan University of Technology, China, and the University of Eastern Finland. He also serves as Vice President and Coordinator of the Skills Academy of Kerala Association of Professional Social Workers and Vice President of the Association of Schools of Social Work in India. Our faculty are passionate about the subjects they teach and bring this enthusiasm into their lessons. What he says about his book: A Manual for Fostering Social Competence in Children, which is about unravels 5 domains of social competence and strategies for nurturing them. To be a successful human being in society requires a set of competencies. This book portrays strategies to foster social competence in children. The book consists of a compilation of activities to augment children's life skills and social competence in the 5 domains of a social competence model. The model was developed based on extensive research and the author's personal mental health practice experience with children and families. The reader would get an overall idea and hands-on skills in strategies to nurture the social competence of children in 5 domains with self-esteem, goal orientation, rational thinking, resilience, and prosocial behavior. He has planned a series of books out of his experiences of real-life situations. You can avail this fantastic book from the link given to the description.